What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to track WorldRemit Transfer, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on so you stay alerted whenever we post another awesome tutorial. So is it possible to track WorldRemit transfers? Of course. How to do it? Well, I'm gonna show you in a second. So unfortunately, currently I do not have any transfers, so we're gonna do it this way. So the question is, where's my money? So after your money has been sent, you may want to know its whereabouts on its transfer journey. At WorldRemit, they notify you on the transfer progress at every step of the way. You can also check the My Transfer section on your WorldRemit account to view your past transfers. So in the website, you need to go to see transfers in progress at the top of the page, select a transfer to view its status. On the app, go to the transfers in progress at the top of the activity page and select a transfer and select the transfer to view its status. If you have sent money within the last hour, please wait for confirmation that it has arrived. So overall guys, it's a lot easier to track it within the app. So you can download their app for free to send money online in minutes to over 130 countries, track your payments and view your transfer history from anywhere. So basically guys, what you need to do is go to the, as you can see, transfers in progress at the top of the page. So currently I do not have it because I did not send any money. So if you send money, you will be able to see. So overall guys, that's the way how to track money on WorldRemit. So that would be it for today. As I mentioned earlier, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you stay alerted whenever we post another awesome tutorial. Goodbye guys.